what you're gonna do?
Wait, let me tell you. Anyways, summer vacations. No brothers and sisters came to enjoy with me.
Okay.
And they bought the Wonderboom too.
Oh, can you show us the Wonderboom?
Oh, yes, I could. Look, this is the Wonderboom 2.
Wow, it looks so stylish.
Yes, it's black and this is red. This is the Wonderboom. Wonderboom
Oh, you have Wonderboom 1.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell us more about it?
Of course. Let's keep the Wonderboom to aside for a second because and let me tell you I used that he bought it.
Ednit, can you tell us more about your Wonderboom and some minor details?
Yes, I could. Come here. Look. This is the on switch. This is the off button. And this is for radio connectivity, no? And this is just for pulling up the Wonderboom.
Okay, how do we charge the Wonderboom?
Oh, that's Wonderboom. Oh, the charging place is at the bottom. You have to turn.
Okay, it is a USB port. Okay.
Yes. Okay, let's get the Wonderboom burning down. Wait for a second, please. Okay, now look.
Okay.
Now look at the Wonderboom 2 that my eye but look, this is the on switch like I told you, and this is the off button again, and this is the Bluetooth connectivity, and this is the rope. And on my iOS there is a little rubber part what we use.
Okay, how do we charge this one?
Oh, this one. I know it's also having a little place.
Oh, it is the same, a USB port. Yes, Ednit, can you tell us about the new feature of this?
Yes, this is the outdoor boost.
Okay, outdoor boost. Wow.
Outdoor boost.
Okay. So this is about the Wonderboom 2, right?
Right. And now let's compare the both of the Wonderboom together.
Okay.
And on Wonderboom 1, we have the UV branding on the top. And on Wonderboom 2, we have the UV branding on the band.
Okay. Can you tell us some more differences?
Of course. Don't worry. Wonderboom 2 has outdoor boost. Wonderboom 1 don't have.
Okay.
The prices of both of the Wonderboom go to 15,000 to 20,000. Wonderboom 2 sounds best in outdoor boost in surroundings.
Okay. So you mean that outdoor boost works best in outdoor surroundings?
Yes.
Wow, that is a cool feature.
Hey Ednit, can you play my favorite song on your Wonderboom?
Yes, I could. I used.
Can you pair both of them together?
Yes, I could.
Now can you play my song again?
Yes,